this is in hours and minutes. That's 2 different units of time. So quite often students will convert this into minutes, but that will not give you full marks. So I need to convert 12 minutes into point something of an hour. So the problem is there are 60 minutes in an hour. So quite often students will put 2.12, which is incorrect because there are only 60 minutes in an hour. And decimals work in tenths, hundredths and thousands, and it's out of 60, not 100. So 12 minutes out of a possible 60, and I've got to work out what this is as its simplest form and then convert it to a decimal. So I look to see what goes into 12 and 60, and I can divide both by 12. You could half it and half it again and half it again. But I can see that 12 goes into both of those, so that gives me 1/5. I've now got to convert a fifth to a decimal. Now, some of you may know that and be able to write that straight away. If not, when you're working with fractions, to convert them to decimals, the easiest way is to make them over 10, 100 or 1,000. Because when you have place value, you have tenths after the decimal point, then you have hundredths, and then you have thousandths. So it needs to be out of 10, 100 and 1,000 to convert easily. Then this side of the decimal you have units, tens, hundreds, etc. So at the minute it's out of 5. I want it to be out of 10. So if I make that out of 10, I'm going to double it. So if I double the top as well, I get 2 tenths. So I've got 2 whole numbers, 2 hours, 2 units, and I've got 2 tenths. So that is 2.2 if you convert it into just hours. So 2.2 hours. If you've done that correctly, that gives you a mark.